The Industrial Maintenance Mechanic program is a first-year technical diploma built into the electromechanical automation program. So after the first 2 semesters, the first year, you could leave with that technical diploma. You could also come back and carry those credits forward to get a 2-year associate's degree, either in the electromechanical program or the new automation program that we have. The type of person that would be interested in the Industrial Maintenance Mechanic program is somebody that enjoys working with their hands, somebody that likes problem solving, likes tearing things apart, fixing it and putting it back together. A lot of different opportunities when you're mechanically inclined. You could be anything from a bike mechanic to tearing apart 15,000-pound hydraulic presses. Flexible education in a supportive environment means that you can come to the campus to do the labs. You have to, this is where the equipment is. But you don't have to come to the campus to attend lectures or work on your coursework or your textbook. At the same time, instructors like myself are available pretty much whenever you need us. We have the capability to Zoom with you face-to-face in a FaceTime type setting. We do have live lectures. If you come to the college, you can attend a live lecture. You can attend that lecture through My Ed Choice from home on a computer. If you're a student that lives in Monroe, why drive all the way to Janesville for a 1-hour lecture? Log on and watch it at home. If I had any advice that I would give a student, it would be that I don't necessarily teach you, you learn. I can stand up in front of a classroom and rattle on all day. Doesn't mean that you're going to learn. It's when you immerse yourself in your learning and you take on the responsibility and the tenacity to get answers to your questions is when the learning takes place. I'm here for you. I'm here to help you. All of our staff at Blackhawk Tech is here to help you, but the learning comes from you.